Hey guys, welcome to DIY Crafts. In this video, I am going to show you how to crochet these simple and beautiful crochet earrings. So let's get started. For this, I am using a cotton thread with a crochet hook of size 0.6 mm. Now begin with a slip knot and then chain 5 to form a ring. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now make a slip stitch into the first stitch to form a ring. Now chain 1 and let's start making the first row. For this, make 2 HTCs into the center. That's the first HTC and then another HTC into the same center. Now make chain 4, that's 1, 2, 3 and 4. This forms one of the corner of our flower. Now make 2 more HTCs into the center. That's the first one and then another one into the same center. Now make chain 4 for the second petal. Again make 2 HTCs into the center. You can adjust the petals by pulling them close together. That's the first HTC and then another HTC. Again chain 4. Likewise continue to make 2 HTCs and chain 4 until you have 6 petals. Now we have 3 petals completed. Continue to make 3 more petals and adjust the petals if you are short of the gap at the center. Now after making all the 6 petals, now make a slip stitch onto the top of the first HTC. This completes your first row. You can see the simple shape of a flower. Now make 1 single crochet stitch into the first chain 4 gap. Here we are going to start the second row and we are working in each chain 4 gaps to make the bigger petals. Now chain 4 and then make single crochet into the chain 4 gap. Now make chain 6, that's 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and again make a single stitch into the chain 4 gap. Now again chain 4 and a single stitch into the chain 4 gap. This completes the pattern into the first petal. Chain 4, chain 6 and again chain 4 with a single crochet in between. Now we are going to continue the same pattern for the second petal as well. Make a single crochet stitch, then begin with chain 4. Again a single crochet stitch and then a chain 6 now one more single stitch, make another chain 4, that's 2, 3 and 4 and again a single stitch and this completes the second petal. Now likewise continue in each and every chain 4 gap until you reach the starting point. Here we are doing the last chain 4 in the last petal. Now make a slip stitch into the first stitch and chain 1. Now trim the excess thread by leaving a little long tail end to weave in the end. This completes the crocheting part of our earrings, or you can even use this as an applique for your dresses or crochet projects. You can see the texture of this, it's so cute and beautiful, right? Now we are going to add some embellishments to it and we are going to make few finishings. Now with the help of a yarn needle, weave in the ends and secure this closing through nearby stitches. Just pass the needle through few of the next stitches and then trim the excess thread. Now trim this beginning thread, and now let's add the pearl and hook to our earring. Now I am taking the help of a tweezer to put them onto the earring. I am inserting this hole into this chain 6 gap into any of one of the petal. Just close it and secure tightly. And now into the exact same opposite chain 6 gap, I am going to insert this ring, and into it I am adding this pearl. Now secure it tightly, and this completes my one of the earring. Repeat the same pattern on the other one and add these pearls to it, and this completes my pair of earrings. I hope you all enjoyed watching this tutorial. Do give this pattern a try and let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. See you all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, share it and subscribe to DIY Crafts.